So I just got this golden cherry tree here. Came in the mail. Came packaged in this package here with that on the top. And came in, I ordered it from Amazon. I guess it was from Golden Bear is the name of the storefront I bought it from. Gold. Already came with some leaves. It's I guess it was delivered a few days ago. It's the middle of March. And it says gold cherry. And it's a good, probably 5 feet tall. Now I'm going to plant it. It's a good 70 degrees here today in the Chicago suburbs. You may ask why I want another cherry tree, because I already have 2 cherry trees. I have this Bing cherry tree, which I planted, I think, 2 years ago, and this Rainier cherry tree, which I planted at the same time. I planted those 2 together. And I've gotten some cherries off the Rainier cherry tree 2 summers ago, but none so far off my Bing cherry tree. And the Bing cherry tree has grown nicely. The Rainier cherry tree was a little bit more mature when I got it, and it fruited, or flowered and fruited. And look at this. Looks like we already have a bunch of buds on it getting ready for this year. I'm excited. Last year, it had a ton of cherries on it, and I was so mad because a few days before I was going to pick them, the birds ate them all. They came out here like during the middle of the week. Saw the cherries, lots of cherries. They were kind of small. I tasted one. I was like, oh wow, it's good. Came back on the weekend, gone. Not a single cherry. I even put these things on it. That didn't work at all. Keep the birds away. Now my Bing cherry, last year I only had like a couple flowers on it. Didn't get any cherries off of it, but it's grown quite a bit. It was it's gotten a lot bigger since I've planted it. So it's been putting its energy into growing taller and bigger. And I hope I get some cherries or some flowers off of it this year. So you might be asking, why do I need another cherry tree? Well, I heard that yellow cherries are less attractive to birds. So I decided to get this yellow cherry tree, or gold cherry tree, and try it out. I wanted to get one last year, but they're all sold out. So I made sure to get online early this year to get one. Paid, $150. Bought this through Amazon. I believe it was Green Bear was the company it's coming from. I'm not surprised when I opened the box that it had leaves on it. It's a little early this far north to be sprouting leaves, so I hope we don't get a cold snap that shocks it and kills the leaves on it. So anyway, I'm going to plant it here. The other 2 are over there by the fence where the squirrels love to run around on. And this garden spot has not done very well for me. I have some rhubarb over there you can see sprouting. Over there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit on that rhubarb. Yeah, the green stuff. That's rhubarb coming up. And so that's good, but I've never been able to get much to grow here. I think it's too bright, too sunny, maybe a little too dry for normal garden plants. So I'm going to put this baby here, give the spot a little bit of shade, give the cherry tree full sun. I think I like full sun. So here we go. Let's get to it. All right, so this spot here should be pretty good. I mean, it has nice dirt here. I'm going to dig this down. Actually, it has very good quality dirt here. Look how nice and dark this dirt is. It's pretty well drained, so I don't have to worry about it getting too wet. If anything, it might be a little on the dry side. There's a few roots down there. I'm surprised. They're not close to any trees. So I'm most surprised at how many roots are down there. But at least this time of year, the ground is still kind of moist and easy to dig into. Funny thing is, we just got a couple inches of snow just like 4 days ago. It's Saturday now, and Monday we got about 3 inches of snow. But that is Chicago weather for you. Alright, let's take a look at this guy here. Alright, where's my knife? There it is. Well, this wrapping job is a little suspect here. Looks like they used a garbage bag for this. Makes me wonder about this company I bought it from. And now that I take this off, oh, this is kind of interesting. It's covered with paper towels. Garbage bag, paper towels. And this is not a good sign. We got some suckers growing down here at the bottom. I'm going to have to cut those off. I'll get my clippers out and do that. Yeah, looks like the suckers are growing from the rootstock. Don't want that. This looks to be where they grafted on. I'm not too happy about that grafting job there. We'll see how this turns out. Alright. Now for the moment of truth. Look at that. Okay, so my hole is deep enough, which I'm happy for. This has a very crooked branch here. And let's fill this hole back up. I'm going to make a little bit of moat around here. So over the next few months when I water it, it will hold the water, cool the water a little bit, and make sure that the tree gets nice and wet. One thing I like about planting trees, one thing I like to do, to me this is the best time of year to plant a tree, early spring, while it's still dormant, is because hopefully by summertime, and by summertime I mean like July, August, when it's at its driest, the roots are established enough where you don't have to worry too much about watering it, except for if it's extremely dry. And if you get enough rain to keep it wet, that's what you need. Alright, I'm going to tamp this down a little bit. And I'll have to actually turn on the faucet and give it some water here shortly. So let me go do that in just a moment's notice. So I'm going to go turn on the water, get some water, come back and water this puppy. So I turned on the faucet, got myself a can of water. I'm going to soak this down and help get all the air pockets from around the root ball that I put down in there. Then I'm going to come back and cut off all those suckers that are growing up from the rootstock there. This is making a nice little puddle of water. And this should do a good job of helping to bubble out all the air pockets. Then I'll check back in, say in June. So I'll come back in 3 months, and hopefully we'll see how good this little cherry tree's doing then. And you gotta keep George Washington away from it. But the golden cherry, I'm excited about getting some golden cherries. I don't think I'll get any golden cherries this year. I know they say you're not supposed to let it fruit the first year you got it. But if we were to get a few flowers on it, I wouldn't be above trying a couple just to see how they taste like. So, thanks for tuning in. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Happy planting.